Ukungwiri wa kigeranio gya KSCE no uthiite nambere iturini itiganite. Arutwo, arutani na aciari magikenerera uhotani wa Arutwo. Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a thukuru-ini wa Edinburgh matingirahotire kuhitha gikeno kiao thutha wa thukuru ino kuongerera main score yao ikirigithanio na mwaka wa 2019. Urutani munene thukuru-ini uyu akiuga ari na kirigiriro kinene ati mwaka uyu thukuru uyu nugukorwo na arutwo aingi aria makuingira university-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
Twina gikeno twethethukia main ya 8.3 tugerera subject wise twina A over 50 within the subjects. Twikite oguo twina gitumi kiega gia gukorwo tugikungwira ni gukorwo tukimenya ati thukuru itu ni kuhota gukura.
Thukuru-ini wa secondary wa St Mary Stephen Kontoi kaunti-ini ya Narok ni maraumururukire na ngemi na nduhio magikenerera uhotani wa Arutwo thukuru-ini uyu makiuga ona thengia wa kaunti ino gukorwo igomeirwo ni uritu wa iko cia tene kuri ciana cia iritu na gukorwo makigimarithio na iritu gukorwo magitikithio cukuru ni marahotire gwika wega kigeranio-ini giki makiuga giki ni kionereria kiega kuri Arutwo othe makiri iritu kaunti-ini ino ya Narok.
We as a school, we are so happy that our students of last year has made us proud. We are happy to take more students to university. We had 171 candidates of last year, and having students, leading students, we have C+.
Kaunti-ini ya Machakos iritu thukuru wa Machakos uria urari namba 10 guku bururi-ini ni makunguire uhotani uyu na njira ya nyimbo mari tauni-ini ya Machakos. Umwe wa arutwo aria marekite wega muno thukuru-ini uyu Edith Kisomba akiuga uhotani uyu umanite na kwihoka Ngai na gwathika.
To the rest of the students, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Listen to your teachers. These teachers here, I thank them a lot. They really helped me.
I'm proud of her being in that position and for scoring the score she has scored.
Today, I'm very excited, I'm very happy. And above all, I'm just thanking God for this success. Because as a school, we are one team that has come before God. We have trusted God all over the years. And this particular year, the Lord has shown us He is great.
Kaunti-ini ya Kisii thukuru wa imwana wa Kangahai murutani munene thukuru-ini uyu augite thukuru uyu ugukorwo gitwara Arutwo 249 university-ini uyu wari undu wa kwirahirwo kuna no Arutwo 18 matanahota gukorwo makigia grade ya C+.
Students were affected by COVID-19. When they came back from home, they were very low. The teachers had to work extra hard over the weekends, and they have to put in a lot to ensure the students' performance comes up again.
To the last year's candidates, we were actually expecting this because there were people who were determined, and this work was not a work done by only the students, but it was a teamwork, especially from the students' body, from the teachers' body, and the subordinate staff. It was something that was worked for by everybody.
Kaunti-ini ya Kiambu murutwo kuma thukuru-ini wa St Anne Prudence Nyambura uria uranyitire grade ya A- augitwe na thengia muritu maria we na arutwo aria angi marageragira mari na undu wa gwikenerera igukorwo ni manyitite grade ingimahotithia guthie thukuru-ini cia university.
Ngene gwikira Ngai mbere ni awahotithia kugia grade ino. Ningi arimu akwa makoretwo me supportive muno. Kirathi makandeithia kuruta ta okorwo ndirona kindu makandeithia kumenya niki kiu. Ningi arutwo akwa ma kirathi gitu marandeithirie muno tondu wa discussions irakoragwo hau tuga discuss makandeithia ni undu ndingihota guthoma ihinda rinene muno.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV riturako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.